You're about to discover some tools needed to successfully monetize your skills online. Here are some of the key tools you'll need to quickly set up your online business or ministry. Funnels and website building software. A funnel is a series of pages that guide your visitors through the sales process. Website building software makes it easy to create a professional-looking website without any coding experience. Some popular funnel and website building software options include Kartra, Groove Pages, ClickFunnels. Domain hosting. A domain name is your website's address on the internet. Domain hosting is the service that stores your website's files and makes them accessible to visitors. Some popular domain hosting providers include HostGator, Bluehost, Namecheap, and GoDaddy. Payment processing. Payment processing is the service that allows you to accept payments from your customers. Some popular payment processing providers include PayPal, Stripe, Square, Apple Pay, and Amazon Pay. In addition to these core tools, you may also need some additional tools depending on your specific business or ministry needs. For example, if you're selling physical products, you'll need a shipping solution. If you're offering online courses, you'll need a course platform. And if you're running a blog, you'll need a content management system. Once you have the right tools in place, setting up your online business or ministry will be a breeze. So what are you waiting for? Get started today.